Hi guys, let me give you a quick glimpse into my Rise of the Challenge basketball vertical template. With this template, there are a lot of fun layers and things you can modify and adjust. It's very easy to insert your own subject, just shut off the sample subject, and drag and drop your own extracted subject into the template, and then position them where you think they fit. There's a full tutorial included with the instant download that'll teach you how to modify and adjust any of the colors and text within this template. And it can be very simple and easy to modify it. For example, you can change the background color, I can change the flares, the bleachers, the text, and even the colors of the text. You can adjust the name and jersey number at the bottom, or you don't even have to use the name field at all if you don't want to. You just shut it off and have an awesome scene there. All these elements are adjustable, movable, sizable, and editable. It can be as simple and easy as that to create an awesome poster, banner, or prints for your parents.